Corey, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you a short video for you going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm wanting to go over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. So with content, we can take a look at your site here, and that is everything that you can physically see and read, but it actually also includes any photos that you have, because Google has a capability of seeing what is behind these photos. And all that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded? Google wants to see you providing value to your readers, as well as seeing what keywords are on your site, because they want to know who to connect you to whenever people are searching in the Google search bar. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage here, and then you do want to have those keywords sprinkled throughout. And one example of a keyword is Raleigh Plumbers. And the first thing that's populating are some ads here. And so ads can definitely be a great tool when used properly to get you some more business. But if we scroll down, we can see the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Packs. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 here, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outdo your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And I see that you do have one here, so that is great. You want to make sure that this is completely optimized. And one part of that would be those citations that I had mentioned. And all a citation is, it's your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as it is on your Google business profile here in your local directories. And so some examples of that would just be Yelp and Facebook. And so you want to get all of the local directories that these competitors have, and then you want to get more than them. And then that way you can get your share of this 30 to 40% of business for yourself. And if we scroll down here, this is the start of the organic listing. The remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And those backlinks play a huge part in your website ranking. And so here we're at the bottom of the first page of the organic listing. And so you want to be on the first page as high up as possible, because 90% of people will stay on the first page towards the top. Something that we can do that's really cool is we can plug your URL into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see the back end of your website. So what that means is we're going to take a look at ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You have 0 and 0 as of now. And then what makes up these ratings here are backlinks. So you have one backlink coming from one referring domain. And what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. But you really want to be intentional when choosing backlinks, because there are spammy backlinks that will lower these numbers, and there are high quality ones that will boost these numbers here. And so you want to get high quality backlinks that are relevant to your industry. And so another thing that it shows what keywords are on your website, as well as the monthly visitor traffic that's going to your website. So right now you have 17 keywords and 1 monthly visitor. And we can do this exact same thing for all of your competitors. And so Midtown Plumbing, they were ranking at the top of the Raleigh Plumbers search. So we can see that their UR and DR is 25 and 1.6. What's making up their ratings are just under 2,500 backlinks. And these backlinks are coming from 76 referring domains. And so what we'd want to do here is we'd want to get you high quality backlinks so that we're boosting your DR and your UR above your competitors. Because once your UR and DR are above your competitors, they're higher than your competitors, you'll be boosted to the top of that Google search result. But something that goes hand in hand with this are those keywords, because you want to make sure that you're being boosted to the top of things that are relevant to you and the services that you provide in the areas that you service and everything that pertains to you and your business. We can take a look at the keywords that all of your competitors have on their site. That way we can make sure to get you good quality buyer intent keywords. And the reason that you want buyer intent is because we want to do the best that we can to get you qualified leads from the beginning. And so Midtown Plumbing, they have 977 monthly traffic. And so here what we'd want to do is get you those high quality backlinks and then do extensive research for those keywords, taking a look at all your competitors. But I did a really fast side search here. If we do Raleigh Plumbers, it shows that there are thousands of people searching Raleigh Plumbers 500, Plumbers Raleigh 500, Plumbers in Raleigh, North Carolina 500, 500. So we would do this with all the variations that you could spell and ways that people would write this out in all of the cities. So this is just the beginning of all of the possibility with all of the people that would be searching for your services. And the more people that are on your site, landing on your site with those buyer intent leads that are ready to buy the services that you provide, the more people that would be turning into your customers there. And so I hope that this short video was valuable for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.